automatic buy-sell signal generator. In live market, it will generate calls like a signal. Today it's a Tuesday market, December 26. Already a sell call is following on. That sell call came yesterday. Yesterday means it's a Friday market, a sell call came. That sell call momentum followed today also. Today after 10:18, bullish moment. So during this movement, a breakout happened. So buy call generated, green color candle open. Like this on daily basis, it will generate calls like a signal. So it's an automatic calls like a signal generator. Today it's a Tuesday market. We have received this call at 47,708. That straight white line from green color candle. That is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So daily in live market, you will get entry points like where to take entry, put the target, stop loss, like those things. In live market, it will analyze and give calls in automatically. You can do manual trading as well as auto trading by connecting your broker account to this chart. So today call came at 47,708. First target is 827, more than 100 point first target range. Let's wait and see. Within 10 minutes of market momentum in 8 candles. So in 8 minutes of market momentum, first target range breakout, more than 120 point target has been breakout. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.